Hey, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The rules of the beard are as follows, and I know you feel like you're in a exceptional circumstance, but you should not touch it beyond that. So obviously you can trim the mustache. You can trim what's more than one fist, right? So from here, anything beyond that. I think, and I'm not really well groomed today, but whatever is below here, you can cut that as well. And you can also kind of shape this if you do want to. But what I wouldn't do is I wouldn't touch this here. So over here, there's some hair that's coming up from up here and it's kind of like hanging lower. That you can touch. But you can't touch the hair that's growing here, until maybe like if it gets over a fist somehow. But you can cut the hair that's from here and it's like hanging down. That's totally fine. The main difference you'll see is that the general opinion is that you can cut the hair that's on top of the jawbone. But what jawbone are we referring to? Are we referring to this one or this one? I tend to think it means this one, which means you can only cut this hair that's here, so you can cut any hair that grows on this bone right here. But I do know that there are some scholars that allow for the lower jawbone, and that's why you have these people with like a really small lineup over here, and they allow you to cut all this hair that's here. That's up to you if you want. But I personally think you should only be cutting over here if needed. I hope that helps. And if I have to add more details, I'll add them on the text. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.